Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. All the new subbies, my name's Adrilunamakeup. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So on today's video, I am going to be giving you guys a review on an electronic lip plumper. And this is how the box looks, you guys, if you guys care. But here's the electronic lip plumper. Now, I read the instructions already, so the first thing you gotta do is put the batteries, which I already have the batteries, and you put them inside right here. Let me show you guys. Inside here. So you put the AAA batteries, and it says to have your lips really moisturized. Make sure you don't have no foundation or anything, so have your lips moisturized, and for that I'm going to be using this elixir by Versali. So it really does make your lips really moisturized. So instead of me licking my lips, I'm going to moisturize them. It comes with 5 felt inserts, so that's just to make your little device clean. And I'm not going to use it the first time just to see how it really works. But so the little device is already timed, so after 60 seconds it will shut off automatically, so you don't have to be counting or anything. Bring you guys close so you guys can see the before. And let's see. I'm going to perk my lips a little bit like this and put my tongue in between my teeth so it can create more suction. Okay, so this is the first time trying it, and it does leave some red marks, which those go away, and my lips look a little bit purple because of the blood flow, you know. So let's try it one more time. Shit. Okay, they do look bigger, and they are really purple. Oh, okay, they're not staying like that. Okay, the purple is not staying. Thank goodness, thank goodness. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it like this and see how that works. Okay, I see a difference. Ooh, they look so crusty. I see a difference. Obviously, you're not gonna walk out like this. You got to, you know, apply your foundation and all that. So let me do that for you guys so you guys can see the outcome. And this is the outcome, you guys. I freaking like it. What I have on my lips, I will put it down below what I have on my lips, but I always like to overline my lips. I did not feel any pain at all. I don't know if I'm supposed to feel pain. Now this is how I want my lips all the time. I feel like I can't even talk for a little bit, maybe because I'm not used to it. But I will put everything down below what I use on my lips. I just love my lips this voluptuous, you guys. My bottom lip is always voluptuous, but the top lip is like, what happened to him? Like, they forgot about my top lip. But if you like big lips, plump lips, voluptuous lips, then this is for you. I freaking love it. I'm so excited, you guys. It does help like a boost of confidence, I bet, because my top lip is not big at all. To me, that's how I feel. To you, it probably is. And I bet you someone else that doesn't have lips at all, it will give them a boost of confidence. And I know that lip injections do cost a lot of money, and this is a one-time thing, and you can take it wherever you go. Like, it has your little pouch and all that. You can take it wherever you want, and it's battery operated, it's electronic, girl. It got you. So thank you guys so much for watching my review. I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know, because I love doing reviews. I love doing first impressions because I get to sit down and talk to you guys. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Let me know what you guys think of this device. Let me know if you guys would try this or you guys would pass. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be reading all your comments. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, girl, because I be watching. I'll be watching you.